Most people assume pet insurance is all the same, but here's the surprising truth. Small differences in coverage can save or cost you thousands. If you shop at Costco and saw their pet insurance offer, stay with me, because you won't believe what I discovered while using it. Costco partners with a major insurance provider to offer discounted pet insurance for members. It covers accidents, illnesses, hereditary conditions, and even alternative therapies like acupuncture in some plans. The biggest attraction is the lower monthly cost compared to many standalone pet insurers. Signing up was simple. You choose your pet's age, breed, and location, then customize your deductible and reimbursement level. I tested a mid-range plan with 80% reimbursement and a moderate deductible. The monthly price was lower than similar plans from other providers, which is a big plus for budget-conscious pet owners. The claims process is where things really matter. I submitted a claim for a vet visit due to stomach issues. The process was digital, and reimbursement came within 2 weeks. That alone makes the service feel reliable and stress-free. However, most people get this wrong. This insurance is not fully prepaid care. You still pay the vet upfront and get reimbursed later. Also, pre-existing conditions are not covered, which is standard across most pet insurers. Overall, Costco Pet Insurance is a strong option if you want affordable coverage with solid benefits and a trusted brand behind it. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest service reviews.